All right, so you're buying a home or a condo in an HOA or a condo association. Here are a couple things to look for. Tyler, the home loan guy here, and we look at HOA and condo documentations all the time. And some things that you want to look at before getting involved in an HOA or association are things such as the reserves. You're going to look at delinquencies on that HOA from a payment standpoint. So who is delinquent on their HOA dues? Who's delinquent on their condo dues? You're also going to be looking at insurance. These are all things you as the owner are going to want to know about because this affects your asset. If you are looking at a condo and that condo association does not have the proper reserves and something happens, such as the roof needs to be replaced, and even if it's not a hurricane or anything like that, if it's just normal maintenance and the roof needs to be replaced, guess who's paying for that roof and who's gonna get hit with a special assessment? You, the owner. So you're definitely gonna wanna take a look at reserves. That's a huge one to make sure that you're not getting hit with random payments later on as you're owning the home and your association dues are gonna skyrocket. Insurance is another big one. Make sure that they have enough insurance coverage to cover all of the buildings. And then also delinquencies. So if they're planning on collecting X number of dollars, but because of the delinquencies, they're only going to be collecting Y number of payments, then it's going to affect the reserves and it's going to affect you as an owner. If you have any questions, definitely reach out.